Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a Mexican cuisine. Known for their juicy, marinated pork, tangy pineapple, and a burst of vibrant spices. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as tacos al pastor. Tacos al pastor. Tacos. Al. Pas. Ter. Tacos al pastor. Tacos al pastor are often enjoyed at casual gatherings, street food stalls, and family meals. This delicious dish was inspired by Lebanese shawarma. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about tacos al pastor, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.